Helgerson here. Well, today I'm going to install a set of Kuryakyn Magnum rear view mirrors on my 2007 Kawasaki Vulcan 900. So let's get started. So the first thing you need to do is remove one of the mirrors from the stems and mount it for on the opposite side for the left-hand side. Also, for a metric bike, you're going to need a set of adapters for metric bike. That's these bolts right here. Other than that, it's 17 millimeter wrench and a 3/8 wrench, and that's all we need to get the job done. Alright, in order to remove the mirrors, if you have a windshield on, you're probably going to have to remove the windshield. Fortunately, I have a trigger lock Memphis Shades windshield, which is relatively easy to take off. Alright, next we need to loosen the mirror. I'm going to work with the left-hand side first. And I'm going to try to reuse this lock bolt on here. The Kuryakyns come with their own lock bolt, but they're really not very decorative looking. So I've already got this mirror reversed. This is the hardest part. Probably pretty close. Probably have to do some adjustments on it, but other than that. Now, for the next mirror. Well, we just do the same thing with the other side. Okay, so now I'm going to put the metric adapter studs in on this one. And I'm going to also reuse this jam nut. Okay, then. There we go. Okay, so now I have the mirrors mounted. All I have to do is adjust them and put the windshield back on. And that about covers it for this. It's very simple. Very simple.